huge thank you to our friends at N&H Group for sponsoring today's video by gifting me with the BobLocs hair. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. I have to tell you about this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous and I was just having way too much fun. This hair is by the N&H Group. You can see their Amazon page right here, and I will leave all of their info in the description box at the bottom. You guys, I got 16 length in a 1B. This hair comes with 7 packs and it was so absolutely easy to do. So basically this is what I am using to go ahead and get my hair snatched in together, and the hair came with with a crochet hook as well, so that was super helpful. I did have to search everywhere for these rubber bands, so if you are like me and in a state that you can't find rubber bands anywhere, I just grabbed mine off of Amazon. I will link it down below. So I am going to be doing the super easy rubber band method to go ahead and put these crochets in. I absolutely love this method. It's so easy, it's so simple, and it's so quick. Speaking of, I saw a video where a girl left her hair in a bun in the back and just crocheted all around it, and it came out so good. But with my hair, I don't think it would work. I have a lot of hair, so I don't think it would work, but I do want to try it. Now I'm also going in with some olive oil and then some black gel just to make sure like all of my parts are really smooth. And all I'm doing is basically dividing my hair into 4 sections. I'm leaving the back as is, just kind of ponytailed up. And the front, I am putting in these little square boxes that you can tell. Start in the front if you're doing this, you guys. I'm just a backwards person. My whole life is just backwards. So I start in the back, but if you start in the front, it is a whole lot easier. So basically you are just parting your hair into like box sections, almost like you're doing box braids, and putting rubber bands around it. Then you're going to connect the rubber bands like I will show you. You see you have these 3 little singles, but we're going to connect them to get the length of your hair kind of out the way. One other thing that I was doing that I meant to point out to you, I'm going to bring my edges out now, not when they're already rubber bands, because you want to keep as much tension off of your edges as you can. So I just go ahead and pull them out now, then I ain't gotta worry about it no more. So I'm just going to go ahead and box up, that's what I call it, box up the rest of my hair, and then yeah, I will be back with ya. And you can either braid your hair, and all I'm doing is like braiding and then bringing it back to the next one and rubber banding it and then bringing it back to the next one, if that makes sense. I just kind of did a twist just because it was just easier. Girl, I just felt like being lazy that day, okay? So once your hair is all divided up, this is how it will look. Super simple. And of course, me being me, I'm like, girl, can I turn this into a style? Let me see. Hold on. So now with all the hair that I have left over in the back, I'm just going to basically braid this into really big plaits or braids just to get it out of my way, and so it's laying as flat as possible. Okay guys, the beautiful thing about this style is you don't have to be an expert braider. I'm not even an expert parter, just to be honest with you, but it is so easy to do. You basically just put your hair up, whether you're braiding it, twisting, or just bobby pinning it down to get it out the way. Just put your hair up. I will show you how mine is. I do have my ends sticking out because I'm going to crochet those back down. Going in with some black Jamaican castor oil, just because whenever I'm making parts and stuff in my hair, I like to put this on. But let's get into this hair, you guys. This hair was so freaking pretty. It did not frizz. There was no smells. The little hair that's out didn't get tangled. And look at this little loop here at the top. It comes pre-looped. So therefore it makes it super easy to put in your hair. For those of you that are not sure about crocheting, I'm going to show you really quickly. Just stick your hook in, put that loop on the hook, close it, pull it through. You're going to take the hair off of the hook, but keep your finger in that hole, and then bring the end of your hair through that loop. Now, I made it sound super confusing, I know, but trust me, this is so easy. You're basically just knotting this on the braid or rubber band that you have there. Now, the reason we make those boxes is because once we put it in the center of the box around that rubber band, it almost makes it look like, you know, we went to a shop and they actually parted our hair and put the little crochets in there, and girl, they don't know. They don't know we've been at home the whole time doing it. They don't know our life. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is just stick this in, you guys. This hair was so simple. Trust me, if you are a mama with some little girls or a grandma or an aunt or a friend or a sister or whoever, this hair is perfect for you because it is so easy to put in and apply. I just had to ask really quickly, am I the only one that does this? As soon as you get the perimeter, I'm trying to pull it up in a ponytail, see how it looks. Just me? All right.
Okay guys, so hi, hello. Wanted to show you that I am 1 pack and 4 braids in, and I already have basically the whole top here done. I have it all pushed to this side, but it's all done up here, all my little like blocks and all that.
Alright guys, so last night I took a pause for the cause and went to bed. Girl, I was asleep. I feel like got a little tickle in my throat. Thought I was coming down with something. I was like, So you see I got the perimeter, the main parts of my hair done, but there's still some spaces here, like around the perimeter at the front. So I'm just going to fill that in now just to make it, you know, look done. You know what I mean? I guess you can leave it like this if you want to. I just didn't want to. So then I decided, I'm probably going to be wearing it to the side, so I need to spruce up that part. So if you see, once I part my hair, there was a lot of spaces and gaps, and I'm just going to fill that in a little bit, just so it looks a little more full and a lot more done. So guys, basically I'm just kind of shaking my hair, and when it falls, I'm checking to see where the gaps are, and then that's where I fill it in. That's my one little pro tip. Shake your hair a little bit, girl. Whip your hair around, because where it naturally falls, you can tell where you will need like more crochets in that area. So yeah. So one other thing that I love about this hair from this company, you guys, this hair is absolutely reusable. I have already taken this hair out at this point, and all I did was swish it around in my sink with some shampoo, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then the next time I am ready for the style, boom, I already have it. Tell me that's not economical, girl. We're staying recession free over here. Alright, listen, so I have my hair all filled in, and don't judge me, sis. I was feeling myself, okay? I was feeling myself, I was feeling great, and then I started thinking, self, what about your edges, girl? So I started thinking about them edges, like, girl, yeah, you can't primp too hard until you take care of them. But I wanted to switch my hair around the mirror just a little bit more because, you know, new hair don't care. You guys, this is how the hair came out. I love how it's braids, and then you have the few strands, and the ends are curled, and this is how thick it is at the bottom. This hair was so cute. I wore this hair over Thanksgiving, and oh my God, I got so many freaking compliments on this hair, and I was so proud to be like, yeah, oh yeah, I did it myself, girl. Yeah, I did it myself, you know. But yeah, I decided to go for the up look. I have a very round face, as you can tell, so I like to wear like my hair in a bun or just a high ponytail just to bring a little length to my hair. And now, yeah, I prayed on it, girl. It's time to do them edges. So I'm going in with my, I think it's ORS olive oil edge control, just brushing them down. I am not a edge master. I cannot slay edges like that. It's just not my ministry, girl. But you know, I know how to swoop them down a little bit, have them trying to give what they're supposed to give, you know. They didn't all the way gave today, but they did alright. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you one more time to NNH Group for the hair. Your hair is amazing. I will have all of their information in the description box at the bottom. I'm about to go drink some hot tea because my throat is killing me right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.